Alright, here's the JHS. Hopefully the audio turns out okay on this. Here I just taped everything to the side of this bad boy, but so far it's working really nice. That's cold, and it's got a big area here, you know, for the airflow. It's got some decent. I haven't checked out the filters in the back, but it looks decent. I also haven't tried out the Wi-Fi yet, but I'll get to that. So yeah, stay tuned. Basically, here's the Wi-Fi button. I'm not going to touch it. Everything's real touchy on this. You just barely touch it, and it switches over. This is the move up and down, oscillate. It's slow at first, and then it starts moving up and down to kind of fan it. This is AC, and this is dehumidify fan. Then when you have it on fan, you have high and low. Also on AC, see, now it's on high. It pumps out some air. I'm going to just keep it on low, and I've got it kind of aimed into the office. I don't know what this is. I haven't had it for long. There's sleep mode, time, up and down for the temp. I haven't, see, I've got it in like an open space, so it hasn't actually like cycled off yet. I just keep it on 70. It's pretty warm in here, right next to the hot water heater. But I did go ahead and tape up that hose in the back so it doesn't leak. Okay, here's the two different remotes. This is for my LG air conditioner. It does less square footage, and this is for the JHS. And this one, I didn't really notice at first, or I didn't really compare, I guess. But this one has the screen, obviously. But I mean, it's nice to have. It doesn't necessarily reflect what the air conditioner is on. This only changes if you point it at it and then press like up temperature, see, or down, and it has to be aimed straight at it pretty well, because the IR is not as good as this remote. This infrared works pretty well, really well so far. Very responsive, and I like it, but I also like the screen. The screen would have been nice on this one. They're basically real similar at the fan up and down, and not sure what that is. Oh, this is to switch the different fan mode, air conditioner mode, dehumidify mode. Got sleep. Here's up and down temp. That's like clock, and this one I use for the oscillating the louver vents, and this is power. But that's basically the remote. I'm gonna make some other videos. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, thanks guys.